Hi guys, today we'll be making Halloween pancakes. So what you'll need to get is a Halloween or cat or pumpkin Halloween themed shape. You'll need a spatula. You'll need whatever this is called. I forgot what it is called. A spatula. You'll need butter, and a fork, a spoon, and pancake mix. So you'll need a 1 cup of pancake mix. 1/3. We're gonna have to fill this up 2 times. So let's begin. So we'll put in our pancake mix. And we'll get some water. Okay, pour it in once and get 1 more spoon. Enough. So yeah, then we're gonna have to mix. So if it's a little chunky, you're gonna want to add some more water until it looks like this. And then you're gonna want to. Then your pancake butter is ready, and if it looks like this, stop mixing it because you don't want it to be too mixed. Until it's no more like fluffy powder in there anymore, like powder, no more powder. Now we're gonna have to cook our pancakes. So you're gonna have to open this. Okay. And place butter all over it. Okay. Now get off of it. Okay. And now you're gonna do not use plastic or it's gonna melt. I just learned that. So use a spatula and place all your butter on top. Yep. I guess they don't like the butter super slippery. And keep doing it until it's all the way full and the butter's all the way melted. Oh, yeah. Like that. Place your cutters and get ready to put your pancakes in. And like that. See?
That's enough.
Okay. And this should be enough. Make sure every crack is full. Yep, that should be good. Then next to pumpkins. And then now a spider, because it kind of looks like a spider, so I used it. And okay, this one's a little hard because it definitely has a lot of cracks to fill in. Okay, that should be good enough. Now we got a coffin for vampires. Okay, now that should be good enough for all of them. Okay, so when you keep watching them to make sure if they start bubbling up like this cat one over here, that means it's time to flip it. So yeah, keep watching them make sure. Okay. You have to flip them over, and so now we have to let them cook a little more on the other side, and then we're gonna transfer them onto a plate, and then once they cool down, we're gonna push them off. So we finished, the coffin and the pumpkin came out the best. The spider, not the best. And the cat, it probably just needs a little haircut, right? And so now we're gonna add some syrup. Like that. And now I'm gonna try the spider pancake. These are good. Best pancakes ever made. Now you know how to make pancakes at home.